Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install solar panels racking on a concrete tile roof or clay tile roof. In the past I did install solar panels on a flat concrete tile roofs using this kind of mount, and it's a great mount, but it just requires a lot of time for installation. I'm going to attach link how to install this in the details, but in a few words what we have to do to install this. First we're going to drill a rafter and then install metal flashing around this to prevent leaking, and then when it's attached to the roof we have one tile at the bottom and one is going to sit on the top. We have to grind those two tiles in these areas to make this sit properly, so it's not going to squeeze and break the tiles. And it's a lot of time to install this. And recently I did start installation on a clay tile roof S shape, and I found this mount from Iron Reach. So we have this bottom plate, it's wide enough, so whenever we're drilling rafter and attaching with a lug bolt to the rafter, because it's wide enough, we can apply sealant and it's going to seal the hole around the mount. So whenever this is attached to the rafter, next step is going to be tile replacement. So we have right here is a W style replacement. So when we install in this tile, next step is going to be, we're going to take a rubber mallet and just when tile sit on a place, we'll push a few times, and that one is going to go through the tile. And the next step, we install an L-foot, and L-foot at the bottom has this conical bottom, and whenever we install in them, they're going to make a contact with the rubber and seal below this tile and above this tile. And to attach L-foot, we have this washer with rubber at the bottom. So whenever we install this rubber and torque the nut, it's going to make another connection here to prevent any leaking. And this installation is much faster than other installation. All of those tiles are going to be under the panel, so we're not going to see them. And here's a theory. Let's see in the practice how to install them. Now when we are on the roof, we removed the tile where rafter located, we drilled into the rafter, and now we're just gonna seal the hole for the rafter and apply sealant for the base of mount. Now we can attach base to the rafter, and of course we'll need to do this with two hands to prevent this base from rotation. Now we can lift tile on the left and on the top right corner to install this tile replacement. And last step, we install an L-foot, sealing washer, and torquing all of this. And here's the final result. One additional benefit of using knockout tiles that you're gonna have a lot of spare tiles, and you can replace any tiles on a roof that was cracked before installation or during the installation.